Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. 3 actors are fired for Diva Tendencies. Drama is brewing behind the scenes of the popular TV series Umkhokha the cast, while the production is still hanging by a thread since there has not been a renewal of contracts for the crew and actors. More drama is also brewing behind the scenes. According to Zimoja Msizi Njapa, who plays Kulekani, Angel Zuma, who plays Nomkhosi, and Kwanele Mthethwa, who plays Nobuntu, were all allegedly fired. Allegedly, the workers displayed bad behavior and diva tendencies while they were shooting. One actor, Msizi Njapa, accused of coming to set late and being intoxicated at work. Allegedly, these are the same reasons why he was fired from The Lion King. Multi-choice publicist Portia Hlongwane said she had no knowledge of actors being fired or quitting the telenovela. I quote, Msizi's storyline is still part of the show, close quote. Angel Zuma reportedly left because she landed the role on The Lion King, but an undisclosed source alleges that she was fired weeks before. Last year, there were allegations that Angel Zuma put her hands on the producer, and she denied the allegations that were made against her. Will there be season 3 of Umkhokha? The popular show will need to be renewed for its season. MultiChoice has not yet officially confirmed if the show will be back for another season. Thank you for watching.